Hello everyone, this is Rabbia. In this video, we will solve question number 16 from exercise 3.2, chapter number 3. DEF are the midpoints of sides BC, CA and AB respectively of triangle ABC. Show analytically that triangle ABC is equals to 4 times of area of triangle DEF. Consider a triangle ABC in which vertex A is at origin and AB lies on x-axis. Then the coordinates are A 0 0, B A, 0 and C B, C. And since क्वेश्चन के अंदर गिवन है कि DEF जो है वो हमारे पास मिड पॉइंट है, तो इस तरीके से हमारे पास ये मिड पॉइंट से हमारे पास एक और ट्राइंगल बन रहा है, दैट इज़ DEF. Now applying midpoint formula, x is equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y is equals to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. For D, x is equals to x1 is A, x2 is B, A plus B divided by 2 and y is equals to 0 plus C divided by 2. So D is A plus B divided by 2, C divided by 2. Now for E, x is equals to 0 plus B divided by 2, so B by 2 and y is equals to C over 2. E के कोऑर्डिनेट्स आ गए हमारे पास B by 2, C by 2. Now for F, x is equals to A by 2 and y is equals to 0. A by 2, 0. Now applying formula of area of triangle. Half of mod of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. For ABC, A 0 1, B C 1. सॉल्व करेंगे. दिस टर्म इज़ 0, तो आगे जो है वो लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. -0 + 1 A इंटू सी ए सी माइनस B इंटू 0 0. हाफ ऑफ AC, area of triangle ABC is equals to AC divided by 2 square units. Now for DEF, area of triangle DEF is equals to half of A plus B divided by 2, C by 2 1, B over 2, C over 2 1, A by 2 0 1. C by 2 into 1, C by 2 minus 0, B by 2 into 1, B by 2 minus A by 2 into 1, A by 2. Zero minus A by 2 into C by 2, AC over 4. A plus B into C divided by 4. एलसीएम ले लिया. B minus A divided by 2 plus 1 into minus AC over 4. ब्रैकेट ओपन करते हैं. AC प्लस BC डिवाइडेड बाय 4 माइनस BC माइनस AC डिवाइडेड बाय 4 माइनस AC ओवर 4. एलसीएम लेंगे. एलसीएम आ जाएगा 4. AC प्लस BC माइनस BC प्लस AC माइनस AC. AC से AC कैंसिल. BC कैंसिल. हाफ ऑफ AC over 4. And area of triangle DEF is equals to AC over 8. Since area of triangle ABC is equals to 4 times of area of triangle DEF, यहाँ से हमारे पास वैल्यू थी AC over 2 is equals to 4 into AC over 8, and ये हो गया AC divided by 2 is equals to AC divided by 2.